As the name suggests, a floating roof tank is armed with a floating roof. This floating roof adjusts its height by floating up and down depending on the product level. Such industrial storage tanks are widely used to store volatile oil, such as aviation fuel, gasoline, crude oil, diesel oil, and other light oils. The floating roof is the essential factor of these tanks. It covers the entire liquid surface except for a small border rim space. This roof floats flat and is centered within the tank shell under normal floating conditions. We can divide the roof of a floating tank into two types: internal floating roof and external floating roof. Internal floating roof tanks are better at preventing the evaporation of the liquid, and avoiding external pollution when compared to external floating roof tanks.
There are numerous crucial purposes for floating roof seals, including emissions mitigation, centering the floating roof to allow safe operation, dampening floating roof movement, and protection against rim fires. Whether building new tanks or taking a tank out of service for regular inspection and maintenance, effective planning with accurate data resources is key to ensuring the floating roof seal accomplishes these critical objectives. Floating roof seals mainly consists of two parts. One is primary and the other is secondary seal.